information about installation and maintenance, including the 80 horsepower 912A, part number 851328, feed lines to both carburetors, and includes ports for during any maintenance events, or the connector kit with wiring harness with part number. The return line port should be positioned at the highest point in the engine's fuel system. Therefore, do not install sensors which can create metal shavings during installation. Ensure that all residual thread locker, such as lock, when in doubt, flush the fuel system according to the aircraft manufacturer's guidelines. Apply a small amount to the sensor threads. Using too much can that reads in Newton meters or inch pounds. The correct torque specification to ensure proper installation and avoid costly repairs. If the engine is not yet installed, be sure to check for leaks during the initial test run after installation. Select or hover over the Find Service tab. If you want full access to all of our video content and to receive critical safety information for your Rotax aircraft engine, don't forget to subscribe to rotaxowner.com.